ADA coin cost could flood to a limit of 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. Cardano cost with a flood could accomplish the $4 mark by 2030, with an expected high of $4.10 for the year. The year 2009 was an indispensable year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business for eternity. This is primarily in light of the fact that the year had a place with the crude cryptographic money Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year additionally had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum in the chain, which has been tenacious with its turns of events, ADA Cardano. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as perhaps of the most adaptable framework on the planet monetary gathering. The organization has been quick advancing to be the main friend investigated and flawlessly versatile chain. In the interim, the worth of the local symbolic ADA coin cost remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted to a great extent. Is Cardano dead? As indicated by investigators, Cardano ADA cost for 2023 could go from 47 cents to 71 cents. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. After this, the organization members will have the entrance of their stake and furthermore have casting a ballot rights, which will impact the future improvement of the organization. Cardano environment is a proof-of-stake blockchain stage, first to be established on peer-explored research and created through proof-based techniques by the organization. It joins trend-setting innovations to give unmatched security and manageability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. What is Cardano? The Cardano network is likewise the world's very first companion checked on decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA token as local digital currency controls that convention. It was made by ex-Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson and was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin has a stockpile cutoff of 45 billion tokens. Cardano cost expectation 2023. Hydra is the following impending update of Cardano for Layer 2 versatility arrangement. It's fundamentally means to speed up through low dormancy and high throughput, which additionally offers limited exchange costs. It will further develop the organization's security and increment its abilities higher than ever. Hydra offers expanded throughput, limited dormancy, and cost-proficient arrangements. The ADA Cardano cost has not seen a positive cost activity following the Hydra declaration, as the value keeps on declining continually. This is supposed to be a great time for merchants and financial backers, as the cost of this crypto is low and has a high likely before long. A consistent grade and unmistakable quality is basic for Cardano coin, as the outcomes will ultimately consider ADA's cost. In such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA coin cost should reach as high as 71 cents. On the disadvantage, assuming that things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 47 cents. Progressively, a balance in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 55 cents. ADA coin value expectation 2024. Cardano is the first blockchain stage to be worked through peer-audited research, to be adequately secure to safeguard the information of billions, sufficiently versatile to oblige worldwide frameworks, and adequately strong to help basic change. Diffies and Cardano's developing predominance in the area could become basic for Cardano. Besides, the heightening count of engineers would assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore ADA coin cost could push to a limit of 99 cents toward the finish of 2024. Notwithstanding, in the event that the more extensive market runs over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the Cardano cost could drop to 75 cents. That being said, the ordinary cost could settle at 83 cents. Cardano value forecast 2025 toward the finish of 2025. In the event that the convention executes its open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific dealers, gambling with the cost to plunge close 92 cents. Nonetheless, taking into account enhancements in bug counteraction frameworks, the cost might cruise in normal figures close $1.06. In the event that Cardano ADA effectively hails off certain undertakings, coordinated efforts, and new updates and shrewd agreements, the ADA cost could strike a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano figure 2026, as indicated by our investigators. ADA coin cost for the year 2026 could run between $1.10 to $1.59, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $1.34. ADA value expectation 2027, as indicated by our examiners. Cardano cost for the year 2027 could run between $1.56 to $1.98, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $1.75. Cardano expectation 2028, as per our experts, ADA forecast for the year 2028 could run between $1.93 to $2.32, and the typical cost of Cardano crypto could be around $2.16. ADA coin cost expectations 2029. As indicated by our experts, Cardano estimate for the year 2029 could run between $2.35 to $3.02, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $2.67. Cardano value expectation 2030. As per our experts, ADA cost forecasts for the year 2030 could run between $2.99 to $4.10, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $3.52. Cardano value forecast. Assume ADA Cardano value keeps on zeroing and on traveling from a creating organization to a created one. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a deluge of more current clients. Once more, this could help the value expectation of ADA to raise its bar to 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Notwithstanding, assuming negative insights torment ADA coin cost projection while the organization is still a work in progress, the bears could take advantage of the chance and check the year-end value focus to levels around 47 cents. Major investigation. The blockchain is divided into two layers, in particular the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. The CSL invigorates the distributed exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros system, and the Brilliant Agreement component is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two fragments. In spite of the fact that Cardano utilizes a POS calculation, it utilizes a complicated form marked Ouroboros POS. Ouroboros, in contrast to customary POS, makes time slots called an age. Every age has a space chief picked by different hubs in the opening. These pioneers complete block creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This decreases clog and expands TPS. Authentic value feelings. 2017 to 2022 Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October 2017. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58. In the absolute first month of the year 2018, the altcoin's cost hit an ATH of $1.16. Notwithstanding falling into a negative snare, the cost descended to 4 cents before the year's over. ADA cost had initiated the year on a bullish note and figured out how to hit $0. The 5th of January 9th, heading on a downtrend, the value slipped to 3 cents on February 6th. Yet figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd. After a pullback to 5 cents and dull endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost tracked down help at 3 cents in December. Cardano had started the year at 3 cents and rose to 6 cents by mid-February. In any case, amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end. The exchange for 2020 was put to an end at 17 cents. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40. The market decline